I used to only get pushed out on Sundays, then pushed straight back again. But that was before Oxo Gravy Boat came along. Ready-made gravy, made from real meat stock. Here we go again. Ooh, lovely. And again, marvellously meaty. No rest for the wicked. It's all go.
Did you see that? A talking gravy boat.
Gravy Boat from Oxo. Push it out every day.